Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. In previous video, we talked about how to say clock times and day of the week. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to say date and month. We also need to use numbers. First of all, month is 月, and date is 号, generally be used in speaking. In your textbooks, you might say 日 as well. But 日 is very formal. People barely use them in speaking and daily talking. It only be used as typing when you send people message or email. You need to use 日. Okay, let's read these 12 months together. 1月 2月 3月 4月 5月 6月 7月 8月 9月 10月 11月 12月 All of these 月 we should read them as fourth tone, strong. And this fourth tone wouldn't be influenced by other tones. Always read as fourth tone. A common mistake, people read 月 as 月 or 月, 1月. This is a really common mistake. Make sure it's not 月, it's 月, should be strong and dropping. And the way to read the whole date, we say 月 firstly, and then date. Month, then date. 11月10号 11月10号今天12月25号今天11月3号今天9月10号星期六 If you want to say the weeks together, then show after the date. And if you make these more details with years, the year will be given at the beginning. Previously, no matter we say time or day of the week and the date, we don't need verbs in a sentence actually. But this time, because the object is too long, so we should better use the verb at here. The verb 是明天是2024年11月11号星期一 Okay, this is all of today's content. In next video, we are going to talk about how to say seasons in Chinese. Okay, I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.